Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So it's that time again where I give you an update on one of my student loans. Now in this video, we are going to make an extra payment in one of my Sallie Mae student loans and also talk about it a little bit. If you're new to the channel, my name is Dred and I post personal finance and dividend investing videos. And currently I am documenting my journey in paying off my student loans. So if you're interested in seeing how everything unfolds, or you just want to show your support, a simple liking the video and then subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell helps this channel a lot already, and I want to thank you in advance for doing so. Now with that out of the way, let's get back to the video. So here we are on the dashboard of Sallie Mae. As you can see, there are no payment dues right now because I have paid it yesterday already. And there's going to be a little bit of difference with what I'm doing right now with what I've been doing in the past videos, because in the past videos, which was I was paying off loan 6207, and that's where I was manually paying off everything. I was paying off the interest and the principal at the same time. Now in this case, what I'm actually doing is that for this loan 4245 and then 6489, what I'm going to be doing is automatically enrolling them onto auto debit. Basically, I'm just enrolling them on auto debit so that whatever the amount is for the minimum, it will be automatically paid through my debit card, and that's what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to manually pay extra. Okay, so the extra goes immediately to the principal. That's what I'm going to do. And as you can see right here, there are no current amount due. If we look at the loan details, you can see right here, let me move right here my recorder. As you can see right here, there's actually $61.40 that was paid just yesterday actually. But anyway, we're actually gonna do an extra payment, and as you can see right here, there's a pay extra button, and we're gonna pay amount, and just for this loan only. Okay, I just want to pay this off as fast as I can. And for the loan amount or the payment amount that I'm going to do, I want to keep it like straight up $400 for this one. Okay, so I've calculated it and I'll be doing an extra payment of $338.60, and that's what I'm going to be paying extra. And if we actually do that, done, select, and as you can see, everything is filled up already, right? And then I will submit the payment. And yes, and boom, thank you, your payment was successful. Now I've paid an extra $338.60. Now if we look at the current amount, obviously it will not change immediately, but if we actually calculate it right now, 3,268.98 minus the amount that we just paid, that is $2,930.38. That should be the amount that comes up to this screen right here once the payment has been processed. Now it's pretty obvious that if I continue on this path, I would probably be able to pay this loan in around 10 months. Now I definitely want to pay it off within a year, but my goal really is to pay it off as fast as I can, so I will pour in all the money that I got into paying this off. So $338 that we just paid as extra today is going to be an inconsistent number. So it might be just $300 on the next month, it might be $400 on the next month, who knows. What I really want is to just pay it off as fast as I can with any money that I got laying around, so that's what we're gonna do. As for loan 6489, it's going to be continued. I'll just continue paying the minimum, which is $98.92. And in my calculations, really in my spreadsheets, I just put it as $100 just so that I have like this little leeway or range for just like a cushion basically for me. But yeah, we're just gonna keep continuing paying this off, and then after that, hopefully within this year we can pay this off already. I really do hope that I can pay it before December, and I think that is very possible with what I have right now and with the income that I have. I think it is truly possible, while also still committing to one other my financial goals as well. And yeah, we're just gonna keep on paying this off. I'll keep everyone posted on this channel, and that's pretty much it for the video. Well, I hope this video gave you some sort of insight as to what I'm doing right now and how I'm progressing with my student loans. And if there are any questions that you have with my situation, then definitely comment them down below. I'd be happy to answer them for you. And please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and also like and share this video to your friend who might, be in the same path as me, paying off their student loans, or maybe just like trying to figure their way out to being financially independent. Then definitely share this video to them. And if you have any questions, just like I said, comment them down below. I am also on Instagram at Daily Dread. Support me there as well. Follow me there. We can exchange stories there, some ideas as well, and you can just talk to me there if you want to. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.